morning everyone, and welcome to my plan with me for the last 2 days of August here, the 30th and 31st, and then into September. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Jenille with Sticker Mama, and welcome to my channel. I'm a wife, a mother, a planner, an organizer, and an EC lover. So let's get started. Alright, so welcome back for those that have seen my videos before, and if you are first time seeing any of my plan with me video, welcome. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe. Alright, so for this week I went ahead and took out August 30th and 31st out of the August tab, and then I'm going to take the others out as well. So we'll go all the way down. One of the biggest reasons why I was super excited for the new A5 rings agenda is to be able to take them out. I'm a lefty, and so it's better for me to be able to have room. All right, so really quick, I'm going to be using this kit in my Etsy shop, which all the links will be below. For September, you have this kind of grayish, tad bit of purple in there, or lavender, I should say. So this kit actually matches the color for September. And so I'm going to start off with this kit. I normally don't sticker up all of my pages very much. So even though you got the 7 calendar boxes and 7 bottom boxes, you have the 6 here and 1 over here, I alternate between pages. So if I do one on one side, then the other side won't have the same, or calendar box here, and then maybe on the Thursday I will have a calendar box, because I don't mind having them on a spread, 2-day spread. Definitely don't need them on each side. So it's kind of a cool way if you wanted to stretch out stickers kits, then you could do that. And then it has the days and the dates and some Flora deco stickers. All right, so I'll go ahead and get started here. And I'm gonna go ahead, even though I haven't even decided yet, I may actually stick this Monday sheet in September's tab, just because it'll be with the whole week instead of flipping back and forth. So most likely we'll add that in. The only problem is I'll have to add it before the productivity page. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of want my week all together. So that's something to think about. Let me know how you guys, comment below and let me know what you guys think of that as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, and I think, no, I was gonna think maybe adding some smaller washies or something to this color, since it's not the same as the rest of September, but they're so beautiful, the colors, as far as muted, they're not very bright, but I don't even think it's going to be a big issue, so we'll just have a little bit of color there. I've got my calendar box up here. I always put the weather, so I'll do a nice sunny sticker, and I will put the high and low for the week. I put my water tracking sticker up there as well. I will leave this bottom box open since I went ahead and did the calendar, and so I'll just put a nice my deco flowers kind of down here in the corner. where I leave the calendar open, then I'll just do both things on the top. So I'll do like, kind of put the water tracker on top, at the top of the line, and then I'll add to the bottom. All right, and it'll be Tuesday the 1st. And again, not worried too much that the color isn't matching, because it's just so muted, these colors in this Flora. Ooh, that was not straight. Better. Alright, so we have our Monday, Tuesday, and like I said, depending on where I'm going to put this thing back in my binder, I'll have to figure that one out. Now we'll move on to Wednesday, Thursday, which will be better because it's more of a spread, right? So here we go. We got our first. Oops, I just noticed I put the first on Tuesday. Come on, Jenille, wake up. So we have Wednesdays done. Right, so now since this will be the other side on Thursday, I will cover this and I'll leave this box open so you can kind of see how it's what I was talking about. I know here's how it'll look. So you can kind of see, simple. And then, you know, there's lots of, I'll fill in my appointments and those things later. I have some more planner words for like trash day and laundry day, payday, grocery shop, clean house, reminders. So I'll fill in some of those, but I just normally always start just with kind of the basic ahead of time, and then I plan daily. Actually, I do it twice, so I normally will plan in the morning when I wake up after I've had a cup of coffee or two. I'll sit down and kind of plan out my day, and at night as well, before going to bed, I kind of like to go over the day. I think some people like to call it like dumping, right, where you brain dump, so that when you go to bed you're not thinking about things, you can actually rest better. But I'll kind of go over what we did for the day, what things maybe I didn't get to that I need to put on for the following day. So that's how I do it. So you won't see me filling in a bunch of information for the week because, like I said, I do that day to day. At least I get all my pages set up. And then that way too, it makes it easier when you're going to go sit down and do for the day. You have all the decoration part of it done, and now you just fill in. He's over here. Okay. And so this is why I'd love for them to have an extra sheet. It bothers me that my Saturday and Sunday are on opposite pages. And even though sometimes maybe there's not a whole lot to do on Saturday and Sunday. I know some people don't mind that there's, actually don't even like that there's a Saturday and a Sunday, whereas the Daily Duo last year was all on one page, Saturday and Sunday. Some days or some weekend days, maybe you don't have a whole lot to do, and I'm fine with that. But because there's some weekends that are busy, and then you have enough space to write down all those things you're doing, especially with all the sports finally getting back. For me, it'll be busier than it was last year, so it's going to be nice that Saturday and Sunday are on different pages. So we have all of these are finished. So we have our Sunday, our Saturday, we have Friday, Thursday. Oh, there's my to-do. I knew I was missing somewhere. There was a to-do. And I don't always cover up the to-do because to me that's always already pretty. The font writing. So 1 week I won't cover those up because I only have in each kit only 7 to-dos, and there's not enough mini washi strips. These I have 3 left after doing all 7 up here that you can use at other places for your next week, or break it up somewhere. All right, so there's Friday, Saturday, Thursday. Oh, our Wednesday is going to be behind the productivity page, and then we got our Tuesday and our Monday, and then like I said, depending on where I decide to stick this guy, maybe I'll be able to just keep it in August. Oh, I don't know, because then there's not room for it, because on the back of this I do it before the productivity page. Anyway, all right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, check out the links below, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.